The Grizzly Bear Grip A-Frame 3/4 inch pipe clamps give you the versatility and stability with the professional craftsmanship you've come to expect from Grizzly. These clamps are made from high-tensile cast iron and include rubber-type soft pads to provide a secure, non-slip grip and prevent marring to your material, no matter how hard you need to clamp. The versatility of these pipe clamps come from their ability to fit any standard 3/4 inch metal piping. No matter how big or small, you can customize the length of your piping to your project's needs. From there, just secure the clamps to the pipe, then let the pipe clamps do the hard work for you. The 4-plate clutch system makes it easy to securely adjust the clamps while also ensuring a zero-slip grip to the pipe when engaged. The Bear Grip A-Frame pipe clamps get their name from the A-frame-like stance of their feet that give rock-solid stability to your project. It's worth noting that Grizzly also offers the Bear Grip 3/4 inch pipe clamp that include bottom feet with a smaller footprint but still offer great stability and clearance. The Grizzly Bear Grip A-Frame 3/4 inch pipe clamps offer the reliability and peace of mind you need to continue giving your all to each and every project. From the biggest furniture builds to the smallest glue-ups, all at a price that's more than just a pipe dream. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.